And then you can go ahead and drop the hairdryer and grab the pick and scoop with that. And like rubbing it into your fingers, you don't have to use it.
And just like the other side, I'll start at my nose and work my way out. Pull it off, and it just messes up the style further. And give it a kind of twist. I want it to really, I want it to be seen from the front and the side. I think it gives it a better shape overall, better look. Kind of hold the set, and I can feel where the hairs want to twist, so I can kind of walk my fingers up and down the mustache. Pass it. Live my life as an artist. Yeah, my nights were the darkest, but now look what I started. I am involved with bro. Anywhere I go, everyone know. Too much vibes, I'm letting them go. Yeah, I flow, they're sitting in.